This is a venerable Mack truck, B series, B61 to be specific. I'd say from the mid-50s. There is a B61 1957 model at the Allentown Museum called America on Wheels. The Mack truck was originally built in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and this museum, America on Wheels, is essentially a new museum, and it includes many Mack trucks and other interesting vehicles. I don't know where this one came from, but in looking it up, I saw that there was a cross-reference to the 61 that is at the museum. Beautiful paint. This truck, I don't think it looked better when it came off the assembly line. A nice green with black trim. These B series trucks were used by countless businesses, school buses, heavy haulers. Amazing variety of uses. Is probably one of the most popular of the Mack trucks. I can't imagine the amount of money that was spent on making this truck look in this condition. It really looks like it's never been used. It certainly is a truck that I associate with heavy-duty trucks from my youth. Too bad I couldn't really see in the cabin. It's too high up and the windows were up, but you get an idea. Thermodyne diesel. They had 6 and they had an 8.